how a beginner will start learning English in 2025. Welcome to English Learning in 2025, where forgettable textbooks are out and real conversations are in. This year, learning English is faster, easier, and way more exciting, thanks to AI tutors, immersive apps, and even VR classrooms. So whether you're learning for work, school, travel, or just to finally understand what your favorite YouTuber is saying, this is your ultimate beginner's guide to learning English in 2025. Before we dive in, smash that like button like you're trying to pass an English test without studying. And hit subscribe because unlike your abandoned gym membership, this channel actually helps you improve. And hey, send this to a friend who keeps saying, I'll start learning English tomorrow, because let's be honest, tomorrow never comes. Step 1, set a clear goal, because I just want to learn English is too basic. First, why do you want to learn English? For fun, focus on conversational English so you can chat confidently. For work, master business English, emails, and professional phrases. For travel, learn basic phrases, directions, and how to order food without embarrassing yourself. For exams, like IELTS, TOEFL, you'll need reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. Pro tip, set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to learn English, say, I'll learn 10 new words a day and practice speaking for 15 minutes. Step 2, learn the basics without feeling like a kid. Master the alphabet and pronunciation. Even if you know the letters, English pronunciation is weird. Cough, though, through tough. Why do they sound different? Use apps like Elsa Speak or BBC Learning English to perfect your pronunciation. Watch native speakers and repeat after them. Yes, you'll sound weird at first, but that's how learning works. Sing along to English songs, way more fun than boring drills. Listen before you speak. Your ears are your best teachers. Start by listening to real English conversations. Podcasts, either British Council podcasts, YouTube, Speak English with Vanessa, BBC English, movies and shows. Watch with subtitles first, then without. Step 3, start speaking, even if you make mistakes. Speaking, studying grammar. The biggest mistake? Waiting until your grammar is perfect. Native speakers make mistakes too. Just start talking. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Duolingo, or TalkPal to practice. Find a language partner on apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or Speaky. Try shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it exactly like the speaker. Step 4, expand your vocabulary, because good and nice won't get you far. Read everything. English is everywhere, so make it part of your life. Read news, social media captions, books, and even menus. Follow English memes. You'll learn slang and jokes naturally. Use flashcard apps like Anki, Quizlet to memorize new words. Turn learning into a game. Play Wordle, Scrabble, and crosswords. Describe your entire day in English before bed. Find a word of the day and actually use it. Step 5, learn grammar without the boring stuff. Learn grammar naturally. Instead of memorizing complicated rules, learn by example. Watch videos that explain grammar with stories. English Addict with Steve. Use websites like Grammarly and English Page to practice. Talk first, fix mistakes later. Don't let grammar stop you from speaking. Step 6, understanding fast English without crying. Fast English is hard, but don't panic. Start with slow English podcasts, TED Ed, BBC Learning, then increase speed. Watch movies without subtitles. Challenge yourself. Practice active listening. Repeat words and phrases out loud. Step 7, writing without Google Translate. Write something every day. Keep a journal. Write one paragraph daily about your life. Text in English. Join online forums or chat with native speakers. Use AI tools like Grammarly to check your mistakes. And that is how a beginner will start learning English in 2025. No more boring textbooks, no more robotic grammar drills, just real practical English. So, what are you waiting for? Your English journey starts now. And remember, subscribe Or I'll send you an email that starts with, "Dear Sir Madam, I hope this email finds you well." You've been warned.